Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad without mayonnaise, updated. Boil diced waxy potatoes until fork tender, drain and cool slightly. Then toss with white vinegar, Dijon mustard, chopped herbs, crunchy celery, scallions, olive oil, salt, and pepper to create a bright, creamy salad without mayo. Adjust acidity and texture to taste, and finish with chopped hard-boiled eggs or capers for extra flavor and contrast, and serve. Let's go through ingredient choices and smart swaps for a mayonnaise-free potato salad. Choose waxy potatoes like new or red for firm slices that hold together. Use a tangy dressing made from vinegar, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and olive oil. Add Greek yogurt or mashed avocado for extra creaminess if desired. Include crunchy elements like celery and pickles, fresh herbs for brightness, and season well with salt and pepper and serve. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, it really helps. Quick recommendation: Robot Face, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which frees up time for cooking and clean counters. I find voice commands handy while prepping food, and it picks up crumbs quickly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover technique, timing, and storage tips to keep the salad vibrant. Cook potatoes evenly by cutting uniform pieces, start in cold, salted water, and simmer gently until fork tender. Cool potatoes quickly to stop cooking, then fold in dressing while slightly warm to help flavors meld. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving for best texture. Store leftovers in airtight container up to 3 days and stir before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.